Hello, Quan. I got your email and I would like to go over this first section with you, and hopefully this will give you some more clarity. We have been talking in math class about percentages. This is a percent sign. In this exercise, you're going to be dealing with discounts. So we know that discounts are negative. They are a negative action. We're going to subtract when we do discounts. Also, taxes, and in your book it's called GST. Those are also negative and are going to be subtracted when we do these exercises. When you walk into a store and you see a table with the price of $125, that is the marked price. But then when you buy it, you only pay $100, meaning that the discount was $25, and then that is a certain percent. So how would we find that out? We can start by knowing that the total price was $125. But we only paid $100, meaning the discount was $25. We need to find out what percent 25 is of the total. So we will divide the total, which was 125, to give us 0.2 or 20%. When you look at B in this table, we start with $70. We know the discount was $21, leaving us a sale price of $49, and I will let you figure out what the discount is, and you should do that for the rest of the columns in this question. Now, number 2. A table is sold at a discount of 20% of the marked price, which we know the marked price is right here. And the marked price was $980. So if I look, we have a marked price of $980, and I know that we are going to have a 20% discount. So 980 times the 20% discount is going to give us a discount of $196, which means that the sale price would be $980 minus 196, $784 as the sale price. Let me put that here. Selling price. So that is the answer for number 2. Now when we look at number 3, the rice cooker sold at a discount of 15%, and the discount was $24. Find the marked price and the selling price, which means what are we going to do? We know that we have a discount of 15% and it was $24, but we don't know what it is. This is what we are going to do. We are going to start with, we need to divide because that's a multiplication. So we're going to start with $24, and we are going to divide by 0.115, which is going to give us a price, an original marked price. So this will give us a marked price of $160, and our selling price will be $160 minus 24, meaning that, 160 minus 24, 136. I hope that this is helpful. I just want to remind you of one thing. You're going to be doing very similar things down here with the GST or the tax. Now, you probably don't remember this, but if you look at the top of the assignment, In this exercise, the GST is going to be taken at 7%. So whenever it talks about GST, you will think of it as 7%. And if you have any more questions, please let me know.